Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a 3D print of a flower pattern, but first we have to go to where it's actually programmed and take it into the program. And thereafter you can see there's a few options here where you can move it, scale it, rotate or mirror it. But as you can see, I have to make the file a little bigger because I think it's too small when it's only 100%, as you can see there. And another option you have is the infill, which you can see there's hollow, light, dense and solid. And when you choose these options, you will see that the time may increase or decrease all after what you choose. And there you can see how much material you're going to use, and you can see how big it is. Or you can go to the custom place where you can choose everything nearly accurate as possible. And when you're finished with all this, you can just go to the save file. But if you want to see if there's any fault or fails in the file, you can look at this X-ray file. But as you can see here, there's no other color than there should be, and therefore it says there's no problem. And then you can see on all the layers and how it's going to print all the layers. And when we look at the layer 1, you can see the blue part, which is the support and the plate part. And when we go to the other layers, we see that there's some other colors. The red color is not a problem, but as you can see, there's a little blue color here, which is not in the file, but it says that it's just something light, which you can just break off when it's finished to print. And then you can see for every layer how it's going to build it, and then the finish it. And now we're going to see how it's printed. And this is how it looks when it's finished. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.